Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Manisha here. Today I'm going to be sharing with you this really super cute kit from Modelones. I'm just going to bring it straight into frame for you now. Feast your eyes on this cute little set. Isn't that cute? It comes in this really cute, I think it's like a canvas or a fake leather zip up case. Really cool neon window on both sides and a neon zip as well to keep everything handy, so this is great if you're on the go. Now this set here is part of their Pantone Colour Institute collection, so there's a couple of different sets that you can get. This one here is the Emboldened gel polish kit, spelled E-M-B-O-L-D-E-N-E-D. I'll have everything for you on the bottom of the screen. There is a 15% off code that you can use in December, which is KOL15. I'll have that on the bottom of the screen too for you, that you can use off this kit, or there's always my Manisha10, which is your 10% off that you can use site-wide. So do take advantage of that. I will have links for everything that I'm showing you today, obviously just this kit here, directly for you down in the description box below, so please do click on that link. It'll take you straight to the website. Currently this is retailing US dollars $46.99. It's a really cool kit. It's very compact. They have packed a lot in here. I've just had a bit of a sneaky peek. I haven't actually used any of the contents of it, so I'm going to open this with you together. I'm going to show you what's in here, and we'll just go on and do some swatches and see you know, what's actually inside. So I've just unzipped it. There's a lot of stuff. We've got a little pack here that's got a nail art tool. Let's have a quick look and see what's in here. I'm just going to move this off to the side a little bit. Oh yeah, so it's a set of curved tweezers. It's got like a little you know, rubber band type thing there just to keep it closed. So you get one of those. Let's see what else is inside. Oh, these are cute. There's some really cute sort of bright metallic neon nail art glitters. They're really cute. I like those. Okay, let's see what else is in here. Oh, what's in here? Oh, these are really cute. A little bag of, I think they're little Fimo pieces there that you can decorate. Oh, my camera's having trouble getting into focus with these. But there's lots there. There's little smiley faces, hearts. What else can I see? These like little swirly things, bows, all sorts of different ones there. There's a really good selection there to be had. So yeah, it's definitely something there for all different tastes. Again, they've got really bright colours with those. Right, what else have we got in here? Let's have a look. Oh, those are cute. I like them. So they're little neon dome, sort of diamante type things. They're definitely iridescent as well. I can see how they're catching the light. They look really nice. There's a good selection of colours and sizes too. They're quite nice, and they do come in little sealed Ziploc bags, so you're easy to take out, use what you want and pop the rest back in for easy storage. This is going to be a great kit to take away if you've got holidays coming up, things like that. What else have we got in here? Oh yeah, we've got a couple of nail files and buffers. They're really good, nice sort of foam ones too. So yeah, and they're really cute size. Anything miniaturized is always cute, isn't it? What else have we got here? We've just got a little cuticle trimmer. If you like to use those, it's sort of like a double-ended one, so you can push your cuticles with that, and if you want to trim them you can, it's optional. That's there too. And what is this? So this is the actual name of the kit. Oh, it's a little postcard, so that's really cute. So you can use this postcard if you wish to. Yeah, send it to a friend. Pop that there. Also got instructions. They're always great with their presentation model ones. It's got really nice comprehensive instructions on how to use gel polish, the application, and if there's any issues that you're having, there's a Q&A section on the back along with tips, warnings and information on storage and how you can contact them, their social media and things like that. So that's really good, nice and handy to have. There's also a little lamp. So this is, I think it's a 9-volt mini lamp. Let's have a look. Has it got it written on there? Oh, sorry, it's a 6 watt. Yeah, so that's really cute. It folds out. It's a pink colour. And it works off a USB. It's got a USB end on it, so you can plug it into your computer, or if you've got a power socket, you can plug into there. Let's have a closer look at this. They've got some instructions in the bottom there, which is always good. Oh, that's a nice shade of pink, isn't it? I like that. It's got their logo on the front there, and you can just use it like this if you want to. It's like a cell phone size, but also the little feet do fold out, and it's got 6 little lights there, and then that'll just sit on your desk, and you can just pop your fingers under there. And it's got the switch there, and that's where the plug will plug into it, the power point. So that's really cute. Do like that. These are always handy. They're great. This, like I said, this is great if you are traveling. And then last but not least, this out here. So this is the case when it's empty. Just so you can see it on the back. It's got some information there too. There. Last but not least, a nicely packaged it comes. It's got some wrap around it, bubble wrap there, and then these are the colours that you receive in there. So there is, I think this is the base coat and a top coat. Close that up. These are really cute. These are kind of like your lipstick gel polishes. So we've got a 10ml base coat. The feel of this is really nice. It's got a really nice sort of velvety feel to it. It's got ingredients listed on the back, as well as warnings and things like that. This is what the brush looks like. I want to know what the brush looks like. Their base coats and top coats are really always good and never have any issues. And there's a matte top coat included. 10ml in size, and then you've actually got 6 colours here, which I will be swatching next. These cool. I'm dying to see what this one and this one looks like. Really cool colours. The presentation, like always, is perfect. So those are the 6 colours that you get. So I'm going to move on to swatching next. So you can pause at any time if you wish to. I'm not sure if there's going to be 1 coaters or 2 coaters, but I'm going to be swatching them on some, just got some tips here. And then we'll have a bit of a play with the glitters and the nail art sequins and Fimo and that they've included in the set too, and see what we can come up with. Okay, so I'm back, I've swatched, I've had a bit of fun with the nail art embellishments, I've had a bit of a play with them. I did use Modelones glossy top coat, which is from another set. You can buy these individually on their website. Just to use with these ones here, but this one here I decided to apply the matte top coat over the top of the little nail art glitters, and I think that's actually a really cool effect. It's just something a little bit different from the glossy. And it really highlights the bright colours and stuff like that too. So if you want it sort of super shiny and reflective, you can do it that way, or you can do it matte like this, or you could even apply like a tiny bit of the glossy top coat just over the actual glitters there, and see what the effect is. It will be really cool. So anyway, that's all the the actual swatches I've done. That's just a close-up of the matte top coat's very velvety, very smooth, and feels nice to the touch, and non-reflective, so it's not shiny or glossy or anything like that, but it really does highlight these amazing colours that they've actually put in this set. Tweezers worked really well. I did like to use those. Don't forget they've got the nail art buffers as well, all to do with nail prep, before you actually go ahead and apply gel polish. There are full instructions with this kit like I mentioned before. Do check it out. Check out what else Modelones has to offer for you on their website. There's so many cool sets, and I mean these are great to buy for yourself or to give as a gift. Don't forget to use that 15% off discount code I've got currently, which is KOL15. I will have the direct link for you down below. Please be sure to use that. This is only valid for December, but otherwise you can use my discount code, which is Manisha10. that will give you 10% off site wide. So yeah, thanks again Modelones for sending these out. This is a really cool set. I mean, if somebody had given me this, I'd be so happy with it, because I really do like the colours. They're lots of fun. Let me know down in the comment section below, is there a favourite amongst those, and which colour do you think you'll be sporting first if you do go ahead and get this set? Do you like matte or glossy? Let me know down below. I'd always love to hear from you. If you haven't done so already, definitely subscribe to my channel. It is free to do so, and hopefully I'll see you in the next one. Bye!